Good evening. Welcome to our Year 3, Unit 1 unit celebration. My name is Commodore Oliver Hazard Perry, and I fought the British on Lake Erie.
I am Lizzie Bennet, and I just got this obnoxious letter from Mr. Darcy. I don't know what to think about it.
My name is Martha Jefferson Randolph. I am the daughter of Thomas Jefferson. And when I was very young, my mother died, and my father homeschooled me in the classics. And in the early years of the French Revolution, America sent my father to France to be minister to France, and my sister and I went with him, and there we were more formally educated. Now my husband and 9 children live with my father at Monticello, and I'd like to invite you into the dining room to enjoy some of the food from the Monticello kitchen. Did you get all the pictures?
Mm-hmm.